Search Outlook in your start menu. Click the one that just says Outlook. That's it. You're on New Outlook. If your Outlook looks like this, you're on Classic Outlook, and this video is for you. Your IT department told you to switch to New Outlook? Your Outlook looks different from everyone else's? Or you got a notification that Classic Outlook is going away? This is the fix. Click the search bar at the bottom of your taskbar. Type Outlook. You'll see two options, Outlook Classic and Outlook. Click the one that just says Outlook. It opens, done. Your email, calendar, everything is already there. Nothing moved, nothing deleted. It's the same mailbox, just a new window. Send yourself a test email. If it shows up, you're good. You just switched to New Outlook yourself. If you only see Outlook Classic when you search, New Outlook isn't installed yet. Grab it from the Microsoft Store, link in the description. If this helped, subscribe so the next person finds this instead of a 10-minute runaround. Drop a comment if I missed something.